What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today, this video we can learn about how to set up donations on Twitch. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go to a web browser and search Streamlabs. Then just go to this link over here. Then you'll be redirected to Streamlabs website. Then just go to the login option and then just select login with Twitch. Then it will redirect you to something. Just do some formalities of authorizing and connecting with the Twitch. Then you'll be over here. Then what you're gonna do is just scroll down and go all the way down to this account and then settings. Then over here, so once you are here, just go to this donation settings. Then it will redirect you to my tips. Over here you can connect with your PayPal Plus or PayPal Lite or your credit card, so you can connect with any one of this, and then you'll be having this your tip page over here. Just copy it guys, and then just go to your Twitch account, and then over here select customize channel, and then scroll a bit down. On here you can write donations, and then over here you can paste your link and add it, and just go back to your home, back to your channel, and then now reload it, and then now you can see over here you'll be having this donation option. When you click on it, you will redirect it to the donation page. That's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys, for watching.